guys, welcome to my YouTube channel DY Agri Corner. As we all know that NABARD has released its notification, so in this video I am going to discuss with you detailed strategy, what strategy you should follow to crack this exam. Okay guys, already NABARD has given its notification, so I hope everyone is doing well in their preparation. So if you want to crack the exam, you have a proper detailed strategy with you दैट यू शुड फॉलो. वो आपकी ओन स्ट्रैटेजी होती है और मैं आज आपको कुछ अपना स्ट्रैटेजी बताने वाला हूँ जिससे आपको हेल्पफुल हो सके आपकी एग्ज़ाम क्रैक करने में. ओके गाइस, सो प्लीज़ डू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. ओके, इट माइट टेक सम टाइम फॉर यू बट इट्स माई request to you, just go through the video properly, detailed, and make it a note so that you will not face any problem and you can properly prepare for your exam. Okay guys, मैं आपके और टाइम यहाँ पे बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. So let's start our video. Okay guys, as we all know, the exam pattern has little bit changed in the exam. Okay guys, for the NABARD exam, earlier they used to have preliminary, main and interview. Okay, in this preliminary section they have given and divided itself into two categories, that is qualifying in nature and merit section. Earlier everything was only qualifying in nature. Okay guys, but now it is of two types, that is as I told, qualifying in nature and merit section. Okay, some section that is very much only you should focus to qualify that section. Okay, next section is those mark is very essential for you to whether you will go for the main section or not, main exam for the second round or not, that will going to decide by that merit section. Okay guys, so first I am going to discuss with you the qualifying in nature. Okay, that section. Okay guys, so we can see this is qualifying in nature. Here the topics covers are reasoning, English, quantitative, computer, along with that decision making. Okay guys, so what should be our approach to prepare for this section? Okay guys, first thing is that reasoning. So in this section, as it is only qualifying in nature, okay, qualifying in nature, so we should not give that much our more energy to this section. Okay, your strategy should be like that. If it is earlier, it is of equal weightage. Okay, there is no other section, but now as it is they have divided for qualifying and merit, so our energy we should divide in proper way. हमारा स्ट्रैटेजी हमको पूरा अच्छी तरीके से रखना चाहिए, जो कि जैसे कि है अभी रीजनिंग में हम लोग को वी शुड नॉट गो फॉर इट इज़ ओनली 20 क्वेश्चंस एंड 20 मार्क. सो दिस इज क्वालिफाइंग मीन्स हियर मैक्सिमम द कट ऑफ विल गो अप टू 8 to 10. ओके, मैक्सिमम. सो इसी के बीच में ही हमारा कट ऑफ रहने वाला है. सो हमारी तैयारी ऐसी होनी चाहिए, हमको पूरा सेक्शन को कवर करना नहीं है. व्हाट वी शुड रीड फॉर रीजनिंग, दैट इज वी शुड रीड इन दिस सेक्शन, वी शुड रीड सिलेक्टिव. ओके, सिलेक्टिव सेक्शन. ओके गाइस, हम लोग सिलेक्टिव सेक्शन में क्या क्या रीड करना है, आई विल as the video will progress I will discuss with you. Next is English. Here the number of question is 30 and mark is 30. Okay guys, next quantitative. Here number of question is 20, mark is 20. Okay, see guys how they are giving the change the syllabus. Okay guys, next is computer is 20 questions, 20 mark. Decision making, now they involved one thing, that is decision making. Earlier it was not there, it is coming earlier in the reasoning part, so now they made it separate. Decision making is 10 question, 10 mark. Okay, so our main intention of this only to qualify these chapters. Okay, we should in these broad categories we need to only qualify. Okay, we should secure the qualifying mark. Okay, next we will see the that is merit section. Okay guys, here for the preliminary exam, those who are going to get into the merit, okay, they should do what? They should, here this mark only going to make them whether you are going to get into the main section, main examination or not. Okay, so here you need to score some good marks. Good mark is required. Okay, good marks. Okay, So this is merit section, what it covers? General awareness. Okay guys, next is economic and social issues. This next is agriculture and rural development. Okay guys, so here for general awareness the number of question is 20, mark allotted is 20. For economic and social issues, here the number of question is 40, mark allotted is 40. Okay, next is agriculture and rural development. Here number of question 40, okay, mark also 40 mark. Okay guys, so our strategy will be like that. When we are preparing for prelim, we should cover both. Okay, that is qualifying as well as this merit section. Okay, but we should divide our time properly. Okay, this is everything for competitive exam matters is time. Okay, so but here we can see next is we have composite time. Okay guys, they have given composite time, that is you can see 120 minutes. Okay, for this composite time is 120 minutes, means the total examination will be of 120 minutes, means you are getting 2 hours. Okay, so I hope you will not get much problem while solving this type of sections. Okay, earlier in other exams what happened, there is very restricted time for each section. Okay guys, so for that more lot of practice is required to qualify in and to score good marks in that section and to solve the questions within that limited time. But now as the examination is of 120 minutes, that is 2 hours, you need not worry for that. Just you should practice those topics that is very essential and that is going to fetch you good mark in the exam. Our intention should be like that. Very limited topic, more practice and good mark. These three should be our motto. Okay guys. So what should be our motto? Selected topic. Okay guys. Okay, more practice MCQ and test. Next is what? Next is time management. Okay, these three should be our motto. Okay, I hope you now till now everything is clear for you. Preliminary is divided into two category. Some are coming under qualifying in nature, some is merit section. Okay, already I told you what is coming under qualifying and merit. Okay, now how we should prepare. Okay, for reasoning, okay guys, for reasoning you should prepare some selected topic like syllogism. Okay, reasoning, syllogism. Okay, here the question definitely you will going to get some question on that. Okay, quadratic, that what you say, inequalities. Okay, inequalities question will come definitely. Coding, decoding. And now see, earlier what we used to do, we used to score more marks, but now it is only qualifying in nature, so just we need to get the what qualifying mark. Okay, to clear the cutoff, that's it. So we should not focus on more topics. Next is puzzle. Coding, decoding is very important also, that you can prepare, but you should not give more emphasis to puzzle and sitting arrangement because it requires more practice. But now I hope there is almost 1 month we have left. Okay guys, only 1 month, so I'm suggesting you for this 1 month only. Okay, those who are preparing now, this is mostly going to help them. Those who are earlier preparing, they should prepare their own strategy and they should follow my words also while taking into their preparation. Okay guys, next is puzzle and sitting arrangement. We should not focus this topic more because what happen, you guys see, they will give some 2 to 3 puzzle. Okay, but if you go on solving these questions, okay, if it is getting solved, okay, you are getting good marks, but it is only as it is qualifying in nature that marks not going to help you in the other sections. Okay guys, means in next round also just you need to qualify. So if you for that also, for getting 5 marks 6 marks from puzzle, you require to solve lot of questions from puzzle. Okay guys, my point you will get to understand. I hope a lot of practice is required, but my point is rather you should devote more time for puzzle. You should give your energy and time for other sections like revising ARD, socio-economics, that is new to you. So you should give one more focus on that section. That is going to helpful for you, because those are what merit section. Okay guys, so my intention is you should divide your time properly in between merit and qualifying in nature. Okay, so this much a topic is enough for you to clear. Okay, here you will get 2-3 marks, here you will also get 3-4 marks. Okay, like this 7-8 marks you are already getting, and already it is of 20 marks, I hope. Yes, it is 20 mark total. Okay, reasoning. So like that you can easily clear. Okay, for that also quantitative also our approach should be like that, because if you go on practicing quantitative more, but only we need to qualify, it's not our proper strategy. Okay, for quantitative you should prepare series, that is enough for you. Quadratic equations, okay, definitely questions will come. Then data interpretation you have to do data interpretation. Okay, this is enough for you. No need to go for individual questions. My guys, I am saying you properly, don't go for individual questions, but just have a knowledge regarding averages, percentages. Okay, basic knowledge you should know. Ratio proportion, okay, profit loss and mixture allegation. That is very important for you. Okay guys, while preparing for this quant, just have a basic idea. Okay, basic idea, and solve some questions, few questions from this aspect, and go on practicing. As I told, main is series, quadratic equation, data interpretation. Here also you are going to clear the cutoff. Okay guys, so your approach should be like that. For English, you directly don't bother of anything error. This is a big mistake. You are directly switching over to error. Okay, error question solving. Then no, don't do. Just focus on reading comprehension. For that you have to read editorial every day. See, when you are reading editorial newspaper, here you are covering English part, that is the main part. Okay, it covers lot more marks in the NABARD selection process. Okay guys, so English is playing an important role for you. So keep on reading newspaper regularly. Okay, that to be editorial page is most important for you guys. Okay guys, next is cloze test. Reading comprehension and cloze test is enough for you to clear the exam. Okay guys, so this is our what quant, reasoning, English. For English, as I told, 2 section is required, that is RC, reading comprehension, and cloze test. Okay guys, that is enough for you. Don't waste your time in solving a lot of error everything, because now negative mark is also there. So you should keep in mind like that, and you should prepare accordingly. Okay guys, as I told you, this is the merit section. I hope you understand this section well. Okay guys, now the part comes ARD and economic issues. Okay, while I will prepare for strategy for the main, in that I will cover these 2 topics, and moreover I am posting everyday videos on these topics. Okay, ARD, mainly basically on ARD. So keep watching all my videos, subscribe my channel. I am saying you repeatedly, subscribe my channel, so that you will get continuous videos and updates related to this. Okay guys, so at your fingertips only you will get a good MCQ, and that you can rely on that, and you can practice as much as possible. Okay, that is going to be very helpful for you in all exams. Okay, next is what should be our daily routine. That is very important guys. You should not waste your time at any cost, because now take around 1 month is there, because now the notification started and form filling is started. Okay, application. So I hope everyone should fill the form. Okay, and you should properly strategize on daily basis. My intention is daily basis. Here I am going to tell you what timetable you should follow. Okay, first is our morning starts with 6 AM. Suppose you are waking up at 6 AM. You might have some different ideas guys. It is my idea, and let you accommodate these things in your ideas also. Okay, so get fresh up and do exercise, 30-minute exercise. This is very important guys, but see, nowadays you will have a lot of series of examination. Okay, along with that you need to be very focused, mentally focused, and physically active to clear that exam. Okay, don't take it only to study. No, nowadays it is very logical. Okay, exam is very logic in nature, so your mind should work properly along coordination with your body. Okay, so it's my request to you, please do 30-minute, at least take out 30-minute morning for your exercise. Okay guys, that will make you very much healthy and give confidence to prepare for the whole day. Okay guys, next have tea around 6:30. Okay. Then at the time of tea, don't waste your time. Here with tea, you try to read newspaper, make notes of current affairs. From this newspaper only, okay, you make some small notes, that is current affairs. Just note it down the heading. Suppose some appointment is there, note it down the name of the person, okay, whether it is bank or any financial institution or LIC or government of India or any minister, just note it down. Okay, don't go into depth into that, but while reading newspaper, your focus should be to read the editorial part. As I told you, here only you read editorial part. Okay guys, don't waste your time. Okay, that is very important. Next is you give how much time? Around 30 minutes for this. Okay, sorry, 1 hour for this, because this is very important. You to read a newspaper regularly. Okay, that will cover your GK, English, everything. Okay, so this is very important. After that, now its time is around 7:30. 7:30 to 8, take your breakfast. Okay, then relax yourself. Some time is required for you to relax yourself. Okay, next is from 8:30 to 10:30, go on doing reasoning, because morning session if you practice more, okay, that will going to give you confidence, okay, for the latter portion, because at night you will be very much tired to prepare all those sections. Okay, so my point is you go on reading, reasoning, quant, everything in a morning section. Okay guys, practice each section as I told what to cover in the reasoning. That section you practice daily 20 questions now onwards, daily basis, this is daily basis. Okay, then you will have a command over that within 1 week. I hope so. I can assure you within 1 week you can have a good command over this. Next is 10:30 to 11 am. Okay, relax, because already you have done some exercise, mind exercise, your mind requires some relaxation. So listen music or whatever you want, you do it. Okay, for 30 minutes. Okay, next from 11 am to 1 pm you go for quant solving. Okay guys, here most important is do 2 sets DI, at least 2 sets DI daily and 20 question each topic. Okay, this is also very important, but don't go on doing quant reasoning for whole day. Okay guys, stick to your time. Okay, next is 1 to 2 pm is lunch break. Okay, next 2 to 3 is current affairs time. Okay, because already you have taken some meal. Okay, you will feeling some drowsy like that. Okay, so at that time you should utilize somewhere efficient. Okay, the time you should not waste. So my point is 2 to 3 pm you should go for current affairs daily note revision. Okay, revision, because it is not possible you whatever you done in the morning section, that only you go on revise at that time. Okay, that period of time you just go on revising those things. Okay guys, next is 3 to 4 go for logical reasoning, as this part is also new to you, so newly added, so this is also important. 30 minutes is enough. 30 minutes, give 30 minutes. Okay, next 30 minutes for computer. Okay, this is also going to help you. Go on MCQ practicing, read some topic each day. Okay, some topic, then some MCQ, small test. Okay, that is enough for you. Next is 4 to 6, again have some mind phrase, talk with your friends like that. Okay, those who are just avoid some negative talking. Okay, in this type of preparation just avoid some negative talking and negative people, okay, around you. So just do some exercise. This is all. Play some games, that is you outdoor games. I will prefer some outdoor games, but now due to corona I think you are not going outside, but in your premises itself you just try to engage yourself with some activities. Just relax, this is for relax. Okay, take energy for the night section. Okay, night section. Okay guys, so after 6, okay, again you can have some small snacks and tea, then you start for appearing for the, either you should give one mock test. How you should give mock test, I am saying you, either after 6, okay, you try 6:30 to 9:30 mock. Okay, or prepare for ARD or ESI section. My suggestion is don't go for giving mock every day. It is wrong procedure guys. Don't go for mock every day, because see, one day every day you are wasting some time for giving mock. My point is like that, because give mock within a week, 2-3 mock is enough. Means 2 day 1 mock. Within 2 days try to give 1 mock. What analyze that mock is very important. Whatever you are facing, whatever difficulty you are facing, just make a note of it. Next day you try to solve those questions. Try to watch some videos wherever possible, okay, online or offline. Okay, now offline is not possible, I hope, but afterwards it will get everything will get normal soon. Okay guys, so you try to go through the videos, whatever you require, how much time you want to devote, you give your own time for your own preparation. Okay, then next day after enhancing something, then you appear for the mock. So my intention, 1 week 2 to 3 mock is enough. Okay, before exam you try to give 10 to 15 mocks total. Okay, for one month is there, you try to give around 10, minimum 10 mock you try to give. Okay, that is enough for you, because only giving mock is not going to help you. You should improve yourself with every mock. That is very important. Okay, that is my real suggestion for you guys. Just going giving mock, someone told you to, whether you have seen somewhere, no, that is going to very discourage you, because you will not get a improvement on daily basis. No, it requires some time. Give 2 days, 1 day, 2 days, practice well, solve the question, increase your efficiency, work on efficiency. Okay, avoid mistakes, because this also negative marking is there. So in this way you need to prepare yourself. So mock, I told you how to give mock. Okay, take some 1 mock or 2 mock from any institution, try to give that one, analyze properly. Okay, so I hope you understand these things. Okay, so in my next videos I will prepare you how you should prepare, especially ARD, economic and social issues. And my intention is you need not worry for other things. My channel is enough for you for preparation for ARD. Okay, I am posting regularly, direct question will come to you. So you should subscribe my channel to get continuous videos and updates related to ARD. Okay guys, next, in this way I have covered my topic. Okay, I hope this is going to helpful for you. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my videos. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Okay guys, please do subscribe. And if you really like this video and going to helpful for you, don't think much, please do like. And whatever you have doubt, okay, keep in the comment section. Okay, comment section. Okay guys, please, with your effort only I'm going to reach you with the good content, and that is going to helpful for you. Okay guys, so don't forget to share also. Okay, please press the bell icon. Thank you guys, have a great day.